Welcome to this very special video presentation of this Porsche 911 3.3 Turbo Cabriolet. This was registered in August of 1988, and you'll be staggered when we hop inside the car and run through the mileage of this vehicle. It's got full service history annually, and as you can see, it's in fantastic condition. We're going to work our way around the rest of the car and then hop in and I'll show you some of the controls on the dashboard area of it. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then, as I said, we'll hop in and I'll show you some of the controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see that it's as good as new the whole way round. A really fantastic looking car. Just briefly before we end the video, this is the storage that you'll have in the front of the car. We have the Porsche compressor kit there for your tyres and an unused toolkit as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to show you when we hop inside the car, so we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. So we have a clock, as you can see. The most important thing I wanted to show you are the total miles for this vehicle, which are 6,956. Obviously, all of that is backed up with paperwork, which I will run through shortly. In the middle here, we have your rev counter, your boost gauge for the turbo. You can see over there we have oil temperature, battery level, your fuel tank, and oil as well. This fantastic mint condition Porsche embossed steering wheel. I mean, it's as good as new as you would expect. Over into the center, the stereo, our cigar lighter, front and rear fog lights, our heating system and climate control down here. Again, all in fantastic condition. You can see how clean the pedals are. We have the 4-speed manual gearbox just here. And down in the center, we have the controls for the heating for your screen as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you're interested in the car, please feel free to get in touch using the contact details in the listing of this advert.